Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be doing a flip through of the sticker book from Ink Bucket. This is the first time that she's done a sticker book and I was really excited because I love her artwork. So I think we have about 12 pages. So this is the first one. It has a lot of animals and a pretty neutral theme. I'm actually planning to use these stickers in my planner and create really beautiful weekly spreads. So this is the one with cooking. This one as well, French fries. Who doesn't love them? This one's a really nice day at home where you're actually getting things done. I love the color she chooses, they're really nice. This is probably my favorite stickers in this book. I'm actually planning to use this next week and I'm going to be uploading a video as well. So if you haven't subscribed, then please do. These are some fashion accessories. This is a fruits and vegetables theme. The spread would look really nice in this because there are a lot of colors and I can add more stickers because there are multiple colors here. And these are quite common colors like red, green. It'll be really nice to create a spread out of these stickers as well. Floral ones. Floral stickers, no matter like how they are, they look extremely nice. And especially with her colors, it looks even more pretty. Christmas theme. This is really cute. Travel theme. We have some functional stickers here. And then some more functional ones. So this was the flip through of the sticker book. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.